not genetic.
But it was working when he was over here. That's the thing. You know? Yeah. It was working when he was over here. Because it's level. Well, not really level.
Yeah, you're on hold.
Do you want him to pull back the same?
Yeah, over here.
Alright.
Help do that.
He wants me to videotape. I think that really did work. He went up probably like, even though he's getting more water in there, it's better getting his truck out than anything. He's going to have to come back further too.
Yeah.
So that,
coming.
everybody down there. Okay.
Alright.
We're going to start now?
Yep. Half gas, go.
Go! Yeah! Woo!
Stop for now. Wrong with that. He's got to get back to where he was on driving at the pool again. Oh my God.
You're like, yes.
Yeah, that was like 3 feet, got him. Oh, yeah. That wasn't 3 feet. That was 10.
You're almost out. We gotta hurry. Yeah. We're hurrying as quick as we can, but it's better getting water in there, or better getting you out. Maybe I should not be standing here because it's going to get wet.
Yeah. The thing is, if it benefits yourself, basically I get like a year trial.
I'm going to stand like back here.
And if they don't, they'll pick someone else. Okay?
Start going.
Oh, really?
Go!
There's a shit ton of mud right there.
Alright. Start unhooking the chain. Start unhooking the chain. Whoa, Jared left. No, not that. Other chain.
In my wall.
It's his fan. It's the fan that's getting in and out of the water.
Uh-oh.
I gotta get this spot buried. No, it's been doing that before.
Oh, okay. Oh, hey, got him this far.
Yeah, I'm pretty pumped about that though. Yeah, that would be cool, dude. I don't know why they're doing this trial deal. It's kind of like they said it's a long-term sub, but they said if after a year they're like, you're great, you don't want to lose you, they said they'll find a way to make it permanent. Yeah, well, Glastonbury has like 9 schools. Yeah. No, oh, it actually built a wall of mud in front of the car on that side.
That one pole was awesome. I thought it was done.
See the, look at the marker. Yeah. The last marker.
They almost made the whole truck.
Almost.
Well, it's just as long as truck was digging a hole.
Yeah.
Well, that's why I said out back didn't work
We're
either.
going to hook it in on another hook.
Out back might have worked.
So then that'll work better when he gets hooked in there.
I'm about 2 down the street from me.
There's the puller.
No, I moved from East Hartford.
I've been videotaping. I videotaped once and then I kind of stopped.
That was 10 feet right there.
Yeah. Good job.
As far as they moved since 3 o'clock.
I know. Good job. He's digging mud.
You gotta brush up on your bombard.
I think I was going to keep the horseshoes. You're 5. You should be able to throw that. Come on.
What lessons do you have to just type in YouTube like good PE lessons?
I want to make it like to the point where it's
Jay's like all
so
excited.
good that they can't, like,
Jay's all excited. He's like, yeah.
Do you have to like invent
Further
your
than
own
they
game?
were at 3 o'clock.
I'm gonna do. They want. It has to be hand-eye coordination lessons
That noise is really
for
bad.
20 minutes
Huh?
with 10 to 15 minutes.
Really nice.
So basically,
We got
I'm
'em out
in the
pretty
first
far.
grade. So they're only 6.
Well, we're almost there. I mean, we just got to get the other tow hook. Once he gets hooked into that and Jay pulls, it'll come right out. So
I did the pin thing where like there's a middle.
hand-eye coordination.
people got to be.
That's hand-eye. You gotta make sure you're...
Stick way over there.
I played a game where there's a farm.
That stick? They were stuck there, then there, then there. All right, ready to roll. I'm gonna stand back here.
I'm gonna do like juggling with scarves and like shit like
You
that.
want to lock up a job? Parachute.
Juggling's hard.
You'll never use scarves?
Dude, scarves are harder than the actual ball.
I think this might get him out.
I'm hoping.
Gas! Yeah! Woo!
Price is over. Let's go somewhere really bad first. Yeah. Bone stat.
Oh, God. I've only seen that in movies.
You got that part of it on video too.
Oh yes.
Okay, good.
I've only seen that in movies.
That was almost better than pulling them out of the truck. Is the river. These are like whitewater.
Oh my God.
Whoa.
Is there a current?
There's a current, all right. I almost got pulled in. Now that we know, sir. Wait a minute. We got these really fancy.
Oh my God.
It's still coming out.
Let me get a video of like everything coming out.
My windows.
Let me see.
Oh, God.
Oh my God.
Dude, the doors are empty. Fog light still works. Sean, can I go steal some water from you? Watch out, Sean. I'm getting a picture of the water.
Yeah. That's kind of the reason why I bought that truck also. For this guy's situation.
Finally got it out. There he is. The savior.
Alright, want to do that one now?
No.
Just got sunny out.
I don't know what the hell we would have done if you guys
I know.
Well, I saw it on Facebook. Facebook saved the day, I guess.